a battle of two of the contenders in the Southern.
Enzo Joson did not even play, I believe, in the last game. He starts the one. And Jason Strait, on the other hand, as you mentioned, gets the starting nod for Zamboanga. Still,
It's about loving the process. Jason Strait kicks it out. Former league MVP JC Marcelino gets his first basket with a block. Two shots were empty para sa kanila. Wilson hooks a pass to Apreku. Hozon almost traveled. Short jumper is good. Court to Joseph Terzo. Former Davao Occidental Tiger and Makati King. They get it inside. That's another basket.
17 points, 10 in that fourth quarter. And that first foul, that could be big if he picks up his second in the next few minutes.
It's Adi Santos on the block. The pass outside to Apreku. Back to Rodriguez. Larry from the free throw line. That's good.
And that's something, especially with Gabayni inside. Now, Gabayni did a great job of sprinting back as Enzo Joson looks to be going for an easy two. But if they keep doing this all throughout the game,
Rebound for JC Marcelino. Terzo will go cherry picking on the other side.
when you force a bad shot, it's almost like it's...
More importantly, binibili nila yung sistema ko. Magaling o hindi ka na coach, basta tiwala ang players mo sa'yo, good to go ka. The stat sheets are...
Hands it off to Kyle Tolentino. Chris Dumapig, former Zamboanga player himself, gets the shot to go inside the paint. Alas bounce pass to Ray Publico. JC Marcelino, the floater up and in.
I wonder.
Well, I do know some tidbit about that
I
as
think
well.
it's a red and white blue flag. Papunta ron eh.
Well, has already made a basket in this game. That's Kenneth. He's averaging almost 5 points this season. As the son of Coach Elvis Tolentino, that's Kyle, makes a three. Ray Publico, back to Jason. Apolonio from the outside. That's good.
There by Publico and the improvement by Apolonio. Pero Sorella, binalikan sila kagad. Yan ang gusto.
Firing from the outside. Offensive rebound to Jammer Hamito. Ball movement here for South Cotabato. Leading to that basket by Kyle Tolentino. By John Mahari. That's specialty of the house. Apolonio gets the pass back. Apolonio will finish.
What a play on both ends by John Mahari.
Alas swings it to the left. JV. Floater. Right hand finish is good.
Ang ganda naman nun ng opensa nitong...
Viney. Out to JV. Shot clock winding down. Off the back and in. JV Marcelino from the outside.
Anong oras na?
6:24 p.m. Rebound chased once again by Sorella. Tolentino onto the baseline. Rodriguez, that's his shot.
And that's a shot that cleared.
Collegiate ranks. Jonicio trying to go off the glass. That's short. Gets his own miss. Rodriguez a little bit farther than the free throw line. Marvin Jonicio gets the miss and the stick back.
And that's the beauty.
To JC Marcelino.
That's a foul.
No whistle blown. Gabayni on the reverse. Gets it to trickle in. The very pesky Joey Barcuma. Larry gets past Gabayni and Preku is all alone for two.
So with Rodriguez, that's the thing though. He's smart enough not to take the shot at the same time. Got the ball even before he made it. He shot it with confidence.
Cruz had a lot of time to fire and Mark Cruz now
First shot.
Acuna turns the corner. Acuna the adjustment short. Hamito with the right hand. That's good.
And even though Val Acuna missed that shot, that
Nisho hands it off. Acuna will not take the shot. Cruz will. Mark Cruz, second three-point shot. Again for the Master Sardines, Jonicio has Barcuma in front of him. Jonicio will take it inside and score.
and you would think that were by South Cotabato led to the easy two. Pero ito, easy two na naman. Binawi kagad ng South Cotabato. It's been all over the place. It's been involved in every play, especially in the loose balls. Hozon with a step back.
That guy as well has been performing well. Therapy, okay. The good old-fashioned cryotherapy.
Ayun, old-fashioned ba? Kita mo naman yung drive ni Elorde doon. Strong, fit.
And yet, there are really some moments na talaga di mo madepensahan.
Ngayon, different angles na lang eh. Dati sa gitna and on the block, di ba? As Larry Rodriguez.
It's one of the smartest.
Yeah, I think the key to what you just said is the word consistent. Patuloy-tuloy niyang ginagawa eh. Tulad nito. Ayan. Consistent yan eh.
Kenneth Santos lost his balance on the baseline, able to recover. Back out to Alas. Kenneth for three. That's good. Finally, a basket for Zamboanga.
Fortunate that time. Ang dami, nahuli na ako sa lahat.
Huling-huli ka na talaga. Joseph Gabayni, siya rin nahuhuli dito sa point production para sa Zamboanga.
Zamboanga, minsan you need to get the most out of a Marcelino or one or two of them. A Gabayni who's capable of carrying you through the game. Even
Rebound to JV.
I think that was more of a tired shot.
JC Marcelino, there you go. Just like Mix Gomez likes to put it, the chemistry, the womb, the Marcelino twins. Here they are once again. JV this time for the shot. A 4-0 blast.
Ito na siya sa corner eh. Pero ito, babalik sila. Tingnan natin kung makastop. Open shot, Hoson, that's big. That's big.
That puts out 3 seconds remaining in the third. Santos wide open for that undergoal stab. This one out with Ali Santos, John Mahari, and Joseph Gabayni. Baseline cut by Mahari. That three-point play opportunity para kay John Mahari. Coach Johan Dumlao. Sorella saves it to the wrong man. Santos gets the lead back to Zamboanga. They're now guarding each other right now.
Otep would be Gabayni, right? Tama ba?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
As Warren Janicio drains it from the... Oh, look at Ray Publico getting that offensive rebound. Alas attacks inside. Euro and the basket for Kenneth Alas. Back out to JC. 9 on the shot clock. Publico with the screen. JC with the left on the other side. JC Marcelino giving Zamboanga.
And what a beautiful finish by JC. Here's the forward pass.
Marcelino challenging the defense of Marvin Janicio, and he gets the hoop plus the harm.
Ay leading assist all time. Ang layo, kahit na alam mo, si Malone lang ang papasahan niya. Nangyayari pa rin.
Mark Cruz though answering on the other side for South. Cruz will set this one up. Hoson to Dumapig on the block. Gives it back out the handoff. Hoson on the shot. That's good.
Boy, with free throws na yun. Zamboanga in this game, as you mentioned earlier, 15 of 28.
That's just dismal shooting from the line. While Kyle Tolentino has always... JC, top ball screen with Joseph Gabayni. Marcelino goes all the way for two.
Almost like the defense was done.
JV out to Alas. Publico swings it to the left. JC Marcelino for three.
Marcelino right now off to the races.
JC leaves it. JV, this time it's the other way around, but the point nonetheless for Zamboanga. They're up 16 points each in this game for JC and JV, as Sorella able to stop the short drought this time that we're going to be awarding to players for best player of the game. Well, if Joseph Gabayni keeps on doing that, that will help Zamboanga. To Enzo Hoson. Hoson goes for the three. Too strong. Marwin, offensive rebound. Short jumper. That's good. Alas puts the ball on the deck. Gabayni drop step. The finish is good off the glass for Joseph Gabayni.
And the key to me to get something at the line to stop the clock.
They set up Acuna from the corner. Nothing but bottom for Val Acuna.
Or
Another possession here for South Cotabato. Tolentino, can he make this? Yes, sir! Kyle Tolentino, a big three for South on the left side. Alas to JV. Marcelino out. Gabayni, baseline jumper. All nylon for Joseph Gabayni. That last one.
Point is, he's been clutch when needed.
Miss on the second. Elorde could not get the heave in time. And